The Oura Ring 4 Smart Ring is a sleek titanium wearable that tracks your sleep, heart rate, body temperature, and readiness, all in a nearly invisible package. In 2025, it has been widely praised by tech outlets like The Verge, Wired, and Esquire for major improvements in comfort and sensor accuracy compared to past models. The fourth-generation design features recessed interior sensors and a premium titanium shell, eliminating the bumps from earlier versions and making it comfortable for all-day and night wear. It works with both iOS and Android, offers up to 8 days of battery life on a single charge, and connects to a powerful app that provides detailed health insights. Many users highlight the benefits: clear, actionable sleep tracking, early illness detection through subtle temperature changes, and detailed readiness scores that help guide your daily activity. Some reviewers love how discreet it looks, making it an ideal alternative to bulky fitness trackers or smartwatches. However, there are a few downsides worth noting. Some users have reported irregularities in step counting, while others feel the battery life could be better with heavy use. And while the basic features are solid, to unlock the most advanced insights, like long-term trend analysis and personalized recommendations, you'll need the $5.99 per month membership. That's roughly 20 cents a day, but it is an ongoing cost to consider. Overall, the Oura Ring 4 offers a premium, subtle way to keep track of your wellness, with accuracy and comfort that stand out in the market. If you want a powerful health companion on your finger, this one is hard to beat. Click the link in the description for a special discounted price on the Oura Ring 4 and membership. And be sure to subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.